Hello and welcome to English's Bright Side. Today, we're taking a short trip around the world. We'll meet 4 children from different countries. They will tell us about their day, how they wake up, go to school, and come back home. Their lives are like yours, but they enjoy different things and have different interests. Let's start with Isabella from Brazil. Isabella is 9 years old. She lives in Sao Paulo, Brazil. She is very friendly and creative. She loves music, and she loves making people smile. When she is happy, everyone around her feels happy too.
Oi! That means hi in Portuguese. My name is Isabella, and I am from Brazil. I wake up at 7 in the morning. The sun is bright and the day feels warm. I eat fruit and bread for breakfast. My favorite fruit is mango. It is sweet and very delicious. I go to school with my best friend, Anna. We walk together and talk a lot. Sometimes we laugh on the way. At school, I study English, math, and science. I also have art and music classes. My favorite class is music. We sing, clap, and dance. It makes me feel happy. At lunch, I eat rice, beans, and chicken. Sometimes I drink fresh juice. The food is very tasty. After school, I go home and do my homework. It is not always easy, but I try my best. Then I learn to play the guitar. I practice for 30 minutes every day. I want to play beautiful songs one day. In the evening, I spend time with my family. We sit together, talk about our day, and laugh a lot. At night, I go to bed and feel calm and happy. Do you like music? What is your favorite subject? Boa noite. That means good night from Brazil.
Music really brings joy to her day. What a wonderful way to learn and have fun. Next, let's visit Europe and meet Elena. Elena is 10 years old, and she lives in Stockholm, Sweden. She is calm and creative. She loves drawing and spending time in nature.
Hello, my name is Elena, and I am from Stockholm in Sweden. I wake up at 7:30. Outside, it is cold and a little dark, especially in winter. I wear warm clothes and start my day. For breakfast, I eat oatmeal with berries. Sometimes I drink warm milk. It keeps me warm and ready for the day. I go to school by bike. I like cycling, even when it is cold. The air is fresh and quiet. At school, I study English, math, and science. I also have art class. Art is my favorite subject. I draw every day. I like to draw trees, animals, and the sky. At lunch, I eat simple food like potatoes, fish, or soup. It is warm and healthy. After school, I go to the park with my dog. His name is Bjorn. We walk between the trees and enjoy the quiet nature. Then I go home and do my homework. After that, I sit at my desk and draw. Drawing makes me feel calm and happy. In the evening, I read a small book. Then I go to bed at 8:30. Do you like drawing or painting? What do you like to draw? Good night. That means good night from Sweden.
Thank you, Elena. Nature and art make a perfect combination for a creative day. Now, let's travel to a warmer place. Let's go to Egypt and meet Omar. Omar is 9 years old, and he lives in Cairo, Egypt. Omar loves football. He is always moving, always running, and always full of energy.
Hi, my name is Omar, and I live in Cairo, Egypt. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. The sun is bright and the day feels warm. I eat bread and cheese for breakfast. My mom makes sweet tea. It is very tasty. I walk to school with my brother. We talk and laugh on the way. At school, I study Arabic, English, math, and science. My favorite subject is PE. That means sports class. I love to run and play with my friends. At lunch, I eat rice and chicken. Sometimes I have vegetables too. After school, I do my homework. Then I go outside to play football with my friends. I am the goalkeeper. I like to stop the ball and help my team. In the evening, I sit with my family. We eat dinner together and talk about our day. At night, I go to bed. I feel tired but happy. Do you play any sport? What is your favorite game? Good night from Cairo.
Thank you, Omar. Always active, always smiling. What a great day. Now, let's travel far from Egypt, all the way to Asia. Our next friend is May. She is 10 years old, and she lives in Beijing, China. May is a quiet and curious girl. She loves reading, asking questions, and learning new things about the world.
Hello, my name is May. I am from Beijing, China. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get ready for school and eat breakfast. I usually have rice porridge and tea. It is warm and simple. I go to school by bus with my classmates. On the way, we talk quietly or look outside the window. At school, I study maths, science, Chinese, and English. I listen carefully and take notes in my notebook. At lunchtime, I eat with my classmates at school. I usually have rice, vegetables, and soup. After that, we have a short break and talk or rest. In the afternoon, we continue classes. Sometimes we do group activities or work on small projects. After school, I go to the library near my home. It is my favorite place. I read books about animals, space, and history. I like learning how things work. Then I go home and do my homework. I try to finish it before dinner. In the evening, I spend time with my family. We eat together and talk about our day. After that, I read a little more or relax quietly. I go to bed at 9 o'clock. I feel calm and ready for a new day. What is your favorite subject at school? Good night from Beijing.
Thank you, May. Reading and learning make every day an exciting adventure. Today, we traveled across 4 different countries and saw 4 very different ways of life. From Brazil, we met Isabella, a creative girl who loves music and making people smile. From Sweden, Elena, calm, artistic, and close to nature. From Egypt, Omar, energetic, sporty, and always full of movement. And from China, May, quiet, curious, and always ready to learn something new. But even with all their differences, they all share something important. They wake up, go to school, learn new things, and end their day with family, just like you. Life looks different in every country, but a daily routine connects us all. To all who continued to the end, thank you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comment, what do you want me to talk about in the next video? Thank you for joining English's Bright Side. See you next time. Goodbye.